morning, guys, and I had an amazing event last night. I just want to cry. It was just beautiful. Around 15 to 20 parents, mostly moms, came in, and the sharing was just phenomenal. My panel of speakers were just beautiful. Hey, Anne! Morning, my baby girl. How are you guys doing? Sending you a wave. Yes, doll. The event was amazing last night. We had some beautiful moms come in, and they got so much value because we had the panel of speakers who had so much of wealth of information and sharing their own perspective, and we were able to, hi Diane, and we were able to share with them how empowered parenting fits in all of this, and how that is the way to go today. Sorry about all this noise here, guys. It is the way to go because we are on one team. So some of the big takeaways from last night, if I can bring it up in my mind, is hi Diane, lovely to see you, are really that we are on this journey together with our kids. Those days have gone where we need to be the disciplined parent. Our kids don't get that anymore. Our kids want to be one with us. They want to recognize their own worth. And the only way we can do that is by recognizing our own worth and questioning our own self. Lots of self-reflection. If you're having a bad day, recognize that our outer world is a reflection of our inner world. So where have you dropped the ball? And have fun. Fun is key. Keep playing in the. Keep it about. Because you want your kids to have fun when they grow up. You want them to know. You want them to have good, empowering, enriching lives that are filled with fun. So you need to start that in the home, in your own home. I'll put down a list of all my biggest takeaways from last night. I'm here at a business building event. I've got some amazing business leaders that I am leading today. They're all here to find out what their message is to the world and how they can build their business and bring that out there. So I'll give you a peek of where I'm at. We're at the Tangalpa Hotel in Tangalpa. That's where it is. That's right. And yeah, we're going to be showing them how they get their message out there. We're going to get them doing all of these Facebook Lives, so that they are able to serve a larger audience. And really, it's all about serving. It's all about sharing our love and recognizing that we are here for service and meeting all these beautiful people. And Sean was there last night. Sean did an amazing job last night, Sean.
Well organised. Well organised, Yolanda.
Thank you. So so I'll just give you a sneak preview of what's going on here. I've got 8 amazing business leaders that I'm going to lead today. Hello everyone. Woo! Hey, good to see you again. I love it. I'm good. Thank you for last night. Beautiful. Did you have a good night? Fantastic. So here we are, guys, on a Thursday morning. Business is fun, business is easy, business is exciting, business is all about service. So why do we care about ourselves? It's about serving, it's about being there for everybody else, and just have a lot of fun and feel the worth of your own life through this process. So yeah, connect with me if you are thinking of running a business, and if you are thinking of putting yourself out in the world and having something to share, or you want to figure it out. I do a life success map. We look at where you can add value and how we can start those small steps. That's right, guys. So let's do this. Love you all and have an amazing Thursday.